Hey, I need a turn signal sync module. It's not pairing correctly.
Did he tell you what it was for?
He said it was for a motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
So I walked into the shop this morning, immediately knew that something was wrong. Paco said good morning, and Josh handed me a tool without being asked in a shop before 9 a.m. That never happened.
Good morning, Nicole. What are we working on today?
What's up, Paco? Taco?
How we doing?
Good morning.
Are you ready for a day full of fun and adventure?
Well, sure. What are we going to do today?
Well, you better go talk to Josh. He's got a couple tasks for you.
Okay. Time for some fuckery. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why are they being so nice to me?
Anything else I can get for you?
Sure. How about a lemonade? Oh, the wheels are going to go down there.
But you gotta go like this without moving this too much.
Hey, Josh.
Yeah,
Can you grab me the 7/8 wrench, please?
absolutely.
Thank you. That Milwaukee ratchet, please?
Absolutely.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Josh, why are you being so nice to me?
Because we're glad to have you here.
This is just too weird. They're being way too nice. I don't like this.
Say we need a Bluetooth oil adapter for this bike. Can you run down to O'Reilly's and grab one? We have an account down there, so just tell them who you are and they'll put us on account.
Okay. I always go to O'Reilly's. They have everything. I'm like family. I used to go there every single day working on cars. So I'm going to go and see if they've got these parts. They got everything. Hey, how are you guys today? Good. Let's see if they got these parts.
What can we do for you today?
I need a Bluetooth oil adapter. It's not pairing right, and the oil is acting funny.
What's it going on?
A motorcycle? A Bluetooth oil adapter. I walked into O'Reilly's like I'd done 1,000 times before, and I said exactly what Paco told me to say, word for word, and the guy at the counter looked at me like I had asked for a left-handed cloud. Here's the thing about being new. You're supposed to not know things. So I didn't panic. I didn't spiral. I just stood there and nodded and smiled and drove back to the shop. Because if this is a test, I'm not failing it. Paco, they didn't have one. What's up with that?
Did you ask them if they had the 5G updated version? We need it.
And if this is a joke, I'm not giving them the satisfaction. Not yet.
We need a turn signal sync module.
What does that do?
The turn signals aren't syncing right.
Right.
Hey, Nicole. How's it going? What can we do for you?
And I need a turn signal sync module. It's not pairing correctly.
Turn signal sync module. What's it going on?
It's for a 2018 Road Glide. Something with the signal timing. Allegedly, it's tied into the control module. That's just what Paco told me. He's told me to come get the part. I don't know. You guys got to have this part. O'Reilly's has everything.
I'm not sure that that's something that we have.
Turn signal sync module. I went to O'Reilly's and I walked in confident because at this point I decided that if I'm getting punked, I'm going down with this ship looking professional. The employee typed it in, stopped, looked at me, and that's when it clicked. That mother. They made it up. Both of them, the whole morning, the niceness, the business account, the parts that don't exist. It was all a setup. They sent me to O'Reilly's looking like an idiot. So I drove back to the shop. I got my tools out and I started wrenching. Paco Taco!
Yes.
They didn't have it. So,
Did you look at electronics?
yeah. They really thought they had me, and I'm gonna let that sit for a second. And I started thinking about the left-handed torque wrench calibrator. Hey, Josh.
Yeah.
Can you grab me a left-handed torque wrench calibrator, please? If you're new here, this is Rolling Thunder. I'm Nicole. I walked into a motorcycle shop, this motorcycle shop with zero experience, and apparently now I send grown men to look for parts that don't exist. So now we're making progress. And if this episode made you snort, laugh even once, subscribe because episode 4 is coming, and I promise you, the shop is not going to be ready. I'm Nicole, where every build has a story. This is Know How TV. It's not.
No, so I got to use my uneducated opinion on it and figure it out.
Your uneducated opinion. Perfect. The Paco Taco says.
I kicked over the gallon of antifreeze. That's why the floor is all the fuckery.
I'm starting to like working on motorcycles better too. But one of these weekends, we should come in here and power wash the shit out of the floor and make everything nice and pretty and clean again.
It's really hard to do.
I know,
You got to move all the shit out of the way.
Hold on. You know what I have? Check this out.
Yep.
I have a rigid pressure washer floor cleaner that contains all of the overspray.
Oh yeah, like a shield on it.
Yes. And it works super duper well for a shop like this. Shout out to Rigid. We need some sponsors up in the house.
I use the rigid boxes in my side-by-side for my tools.
Yeah, Rigid's good too. Yeah.
So, but I use all Milwaukee.
Yeah,
Just
I use Milwaukee too.
Milwaukee Impact is
Yeah, that thing's the shit.
over the top, stronger than
Milwaukee Impact.